welcome to Business Standard feature video. In the last 3 years, car recalls have been taking place on a regular basis. Should you be worried if your car is recalled? Ford India recently recalled 1.66 lakh units of its hatchback the Figo and sedan Fiesta Classic in what was one of the biggest recalls in India. This was the American car maker's second such exercise in 3 years. The previous event was the recall of 1,09,469 units of the Figo and 22,453 of Fiesta Classic. A couple of months ago, Chevrolet had to call back 1.14 lakh units of the people carrier Carrera, followed by 2,910 units of sale sedan and 1,090 units of sale hatchback. And if you think Japanese brands are a safe bet, then we'd hate to burst your bubble. But in 2011, Maruti Suzuki had to recall 13,157 diesel models of the Swift, Dzire and Ritz. Even Honda could not dodge this bullet when it found that 42,672 units of its second-generation Honda City sedans manufactured in 2007 and 2008 needed to have their power window switches replaced. The list also includes Toyota and Renault. So, should we get worried that nowadays cars are not built as solid as they used to be? A recall doesn't necessarily mean that the vehicle is substandard. The Automotive Research Association of India does a thorough check of all vehicles, and if during these tests parts work to perfection, then the cars are cleared. But often, due to day-to-day wear and tear, problems crop up. Most of these are niggles, and when cars are recalled to rectify these, they are fixed within a day, more if the problem is complicated. The practice has been followed in the West ever since cars were built, but due to the lack of awareness among customers and the media in India, recall has become a dreaded word. Many car manufacturers believe that such recalls bring in transparency between the car company and the customer, as it is a progressive way forward in ironing out problems. Renault India had recalled 7,016 Pulse and Scala cars on May 28, 2013, but the company's outlook was positive, and it said that the exercise only helped in increasing customer confidence as no sensitive matter is hidden from the buyer. Similarly, Vinay Parsania, Executive Director Marketing, Sales and Service, Ford India, says the recalls have assured car owners that no safety issue has been compromised on. However, not everything is as cut and dry as the case of the Chevrolet Tavera shows. The government pulled up General Motors, the manufacturers, because the main reason for the recall was due to manipulation of the vehicle specifications to meet emission norms. The government is now working on making it mandatory for automakers to recall vehicles in the event of manufacturing defects. This way, no car company can get away by cutting corners to the relief of buyers. That's all for now. Stay with us for more news and updates. Thank you.